Hi everyone, my name is Rose, and I'm going to share to you guys how to add items to your wish list on Elfster. So there are three different ways, and let's start with the first one. So the easiest part is to go on here on the right corner that says shop. From there, you could browse the different categories that they have and click on them. So for example, let's click on Wish of the Week. From here, you could scroll on the different kinds of wishes of the week that has been suggested from Elfster. So let's click on this. So if you want to add something to your wish list, you click on wish. As you can see on these different outcomes, you could see where the item is from, the name of the item, how many times it's been wished, and the price. And you could either learn more about the pricing. So price says 11/15/2023. You could either buy it now or wish for it. So right now I'm going to click on wish. And from here, this is where you could add this item to your wish list. So there are different settings. So this one is called most wanted. So basically, most wanted gifts are marked to let your friends and family which gifts you love the most. And you can enable it so that when they go on your wish list, they'll see that that is your most wanted. And this one is wish list. So you could put where you want this gift, like this wish list item list to be on. And I want it to be on holiday wish list 2023. And this next portion is notes for family and friends. So that could be any notes that you want to provide. For example, size, color, and I want to be particular and put blue. And then the last portion is the quantity. So you could go up by pressing the plus button, or you could go down on the minus button. And I just want one item of this. After I'm done and I see that everything is correct, I'm going to click save. As you can see, there's a quick notification that's been added to your wish list. So let's go to the wish list. As you can see, it's been added. So let's do the second way of finding a gift that you want. So for example, I could search on here an item. For example, bag. And then there'll be different results that will show to me. So I could browse this and look over it. And when I find something that I like, I'm going to do the same thing and click wish. And then it's going to go to this settings, and I'm going to add it to holiday wish list as the default. And I want that color, so no notes and just one. So now that I see that everything is correct, I'm going to add this wish list item to my wish list. And as you could see, the wish list is in the item that I want is in the wish list. Okay, so the third way to write it, to have an item that you want, is to write in a wish. So click write in a wish. And you're going to put the wish name. So for example, let's put socks. And over here, this is optional, but you could also put the link of the socks that you want. And then also choose the wish list that you want it to be added to. And also if you wanted it has to be most wanted, you could enable it or disable it. So either include it or not include it. Anyway, you could also add an image if you want. And you could also add any notes. for family and friends, size, color, etc. So I'm going to put here gray. And the quantity that I want to bring it up to 5. After I see that everything is correct, I'm going to click save. As you can see, this is the one that I wrote in, and you could see this as socks and added just now and the color and the quantity. And that ends the tutorial of how to add items to your wish list, and I hope it helps. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.